We're going to be investigating the sum of vertex angles in polygons, and where we're going to start is by measuring the angles in a triangle. Now, measuring angles in Sketchpad is easy. We select our vertices 3 at a time, and we make sure the vertex that we want to measure is the middle one. Now that I have them selected in the order I want, I go to the Measure menu, and I can see that I can measure the angle. There's the measure of angle CAB. Now I'm going to measure the angle vertex B, and so I just have to select them A, B, C in that order. Go to the Measure menu, measure the angle. What I can do is actually calculate what the sum of those two angles is right now. So I go to the Calculate menu, I bring up the calculator, and I can actually add them just by clicking on them in the sketch like this. And when I hit OK, there's the sum of my two angles. And when I change my triangle around, I can see that the calculation is automatically updated. Now the last thing to do is to measure the angle at vertex C, and so I'm going to select BCA in that order, measure, angle, and I see I've got all three angles. I'm going to edit my calculation a little bit by double-clicking on it, and I'm going to add in the third angle, and now I can see that these three angles at this moment add up to 180 degrees, and when I change my triangle, I can see that that calculation doesn't change. To complete the activity, what I need to do is investigate and look for a pattern in the sum of the vertex angles of polygons. I'm going to create a series of polygons, and I'm going to increase the number of vertexes. I'm going to see if the sum of the vertex angles is a constant, just like it is with a triangle. If it is constant, I'm going to look for a pattern.